Okay.
We're not just gonna watch Control Nintendo. We're not gonna have tablets, okay? But let's watch Control Nintendo. I'm gonna put it. This one, right? No, that's not. Oh, wait. That's the trailer. It's not a trailer. This is a movie. It's not.
Come with me. There's a secret panda village.
I didn't want to put it. Look, I put it on the lead. So do we play King of the Godzilla versus all of them? Oh yeah. Look.
Yeah, should we?
Your mecha. Okay, let's go. Oh, great. Let's play it, okay? Horrible day. Let's play the game we're playing. The Godzilla King, that one? Can we? Okay. This time you're gonna be Godzilla. And I'm gonna be King Kong.
Yeah?
Godzilla. Are you gonna play it?
No. Oh yeah,
We're Godzilla. I put the panda, Mateo. Are we gonna watch that? We're gonna watch it now. Mateo, I'm Earth King Kong. I'm Earth Godzilla. Watch Kung Fu Panda.
Yeah.
Kung Fu Panda. I'm replaying.
Stairs. Guys, just start without me. I'll catch you up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch it.
Yes.
Itchy nose. Inner peace. Now what? Hi, old friend. Master Oogway. Our battle ended 500 years ago. Well, now I'm ready for a
I
rematch.
have a giant
Took you long enough. You've grown stronger.
500 years in the spirit realm. You pick up a thing or two. I have taken the chi of every master here. No, yes. And soon I will have your power too.
When will you realize the more you take, the less you have?
With your chi, I will finally be able to return to the mortal world. And this time, you won't be there to stop me.
It was never my destiny to stop you. I have set another on that path.
Then I will find him and take his chi too.
Justice is about to be served.
We'll have 2 justice platters, please?
3.
And a few tofu buns. Both spicy noodle super Thai breast. Did you want extra sauce with that?
She wants it on the side.
On the side.
On the side.
Go Dragon Warrior! Defend the valley! Defend the valley!
You guys aren't doing the dramatic pose, are you?
You have to strike a pose every time you land.
You guys never underestimate the power of a dramatic entrance. I've heard about some masters who can win a fight just by throwing open a door.
Dramatic entrance.
Master Shifu.
The Dragon Warrior is correct.
Really? I was just making. I am.
Before the Battle of the Fist, mine. Hence, the dramatic entrance.
Oh, nice dramatic entrance. What's the occasion?
Today will be my final class.
The final. Wait, I didn't even know you were sick. Oh, you have been looking a little.
I'm not sick.
Healthy. A little healthy. A lot, actually.
My final class, because from now on, your training will be in the hands of the Dragon Warrior. What?
Me teach? I mean, why not Tiger? She's always telling everyone what to do.
Be quiet, Pup.
See that?
Tigress is not a Dragon Warrior. You are.
Come on, they're the 5. What can I teach them?
There is always something more to learn, even for a master. For instance, let me show you another move. The dramatic exit. What's that?
Wow! Are you kidding me? Where'd he go?
No matter.
He's gone, guys. It's cool.
We await your instruction, Master.
All you have to lose is our respect.
Seriously, how bad can it be?
Okay. Let's switch it up. Talking. Immovable button stance. Yes, Buster. Tiger. Tornado backflip.
Yes, Master.
Fire! Fire! Ah! Sorry, my fault. Crane, go high.
Oh, my claw thingy!
Viper and Tigress, like a totem pole. Poison technique. You two do a swarming insect fight with a yellowtail, yellowjack, spicy tuna. Did you at least learn something?
Yes. That you can't teach.
And Tigress is flammable.
turns out.